Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Visual Studio and choose Create a New Project from the Start window. Pick a template that matches your app type and language choice. Set the target, NET framework or NET version explicitly in the project dialog. Choose platform as x86 or x64 depending on native dependencies. Name the project clearly and choose a solution location you will remember. After creation, right-click the project and set it as the startup project. Finally, select Debug or Release under Solution Configurations for your first build. Open the Solution Explorer and restore all NuGet packages before building. Use Manage NuGet Packages or run .NET Restore in a terminal. Choose Build Solution to compile quickly or Rebuild Solution to force a full compile. Watch the output window for compiler messages and progress. If you prefer command line, use MS Build Solution Name, SLN, or .NET Build for SDK projects. After a successful build, press F5 to run with the debugger or control, plus F5 to run without the debugger. When a build fails, open the error list and double-click errors to navigate. Read each error message and fix code, missing references, or package version conflicts. If the build still fails, use Clean Solution and then Rebuild Solution to remove stale binaries. Verify the output path and platform target in project properties for mismatches. Update or reinstall NuGet packages when dependency versions conflict. Finally, test on the target machine or configuration to confirm successful build and correct runtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.